Doctor of heart.
Cardiologist. Cardiologist.
Doctor of teeth.
Teacher. Cardiologist.
Doctor of teeth.
Dentist.
Doctor of brain.
Brain. Neurologist.
Good boy. Doctor of skin.
Dermatologist.
Good boy. Doctor of baby. Pediatric. Doctor of ear, nose, throat. ENT specialist. Good boy. Doctor of women.
Dialogist.
Good boy. Doctor of bone. Orthopedics.
Orthopedic.
Thank you.